Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of Mito's beginner tutorial. My name is Mito. Today we'll guide you on how to create your MetaMask wallet. The first step will be clicking on the link at the description area. So after clicking into the link, you'll be redirected to this webpage, metamask.io. So how do we create our own MetaMask wallet? It's quite easy, so just follow our step. First of all, you have to click on the Get MetaMask. Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension. So we'll be waiting it to load, and MetaMask has been added to Chrome and a new window will pop up. So click on I agree to MetaMask terms of use and create a new wallet if it doesn't have one. Okay, so check the box and I agree. So you have to create a new password with minimum 8 characters because I'm actually just doing a demo account for you guys. So yeah, I will be putting something easy, maybe like, yeah. And you have to understand that MetaMask cannot recover this password for you guys. Okay, so you have to remember the password of MetaMask by your own. Okay? So just click the box and create a new wallet. So you have to secure your wallet on the first time creating your MetaMask wallet. Why so? Is because there are a lot of hackers there that's trying to hack your assets in your wallet. So please be careful in keeping your secret recovery phrase. So today I'll secure my wallet and make sure nobody is looking because the 12-word secret recovery phrase is the phrase that will be used to recover your wallet. Okay. So you have to click on Review Secret Recovery Phrase. You guys have to record it down. And please don't send it to others. Do not reveal your 12-word secret recover phrase to anyone except yourself. After you have recorded down, click on Next. And now you have to key in your recovery phrase. Okay, after key in, just click on Confirm. And now you have your own MetaMask wallet. It's easy, right? So you can look at your balance here. This is your first account. And you have Ethereum link, Ethereum network in your first wallet. So how do you create another network for wallet? So just click on the Ethereum mainnet here, and you can select your own network here. So if you're trying to move your asset from Binance to your MetaMask, just click on BNB Smart Chain and approve. So this is your BNB Smart Chain wallet where you can move your asset. Or more familiar to you is your crypto from your Binance to MetaMask. But maybe you guys doesn't know how to do it. So this is your address. You can just copy to clipboard using this button, address copy. So this is how you copy your address. In the previous video, we have taught you on how to withdraw your crypto asset from your different wallet and deposit it into another wallet. So this is your address. So please and please and please be very, very safe with your wallet. Do not reveal your 12-word secret recovery phrase to anyone. All right, guys. So this is a very short video, but I hope you guys know how to use MetaMask. And if you have any questions, you can just put it in the comment section. Okay? If I can help, I will reply to you. So no worries, guys. I hope you guys have fun and Please be safe in Web3. So we are reached to the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please help me to like it and share to your friends who needed help in creating a MetaMask wallet, okay? Have a great day ahead. Goodbye.